Today I'm riding and reviewing the 2026 Kawasaki Z900, and the big question is this the right bike for you? I've spent some time with it, and honestly it sits in that sweet spot between aggressive street performance and everyday usability. The 948cc engine feels strong and responsive, especially in the mid-range, and it pulls cleanly without feeling intimidating. Handling is sharp, but still forgiving, making it great for both experienced riders and those stepping up to a bigger naked bike. The suspension is firm enough for spirited rides, but not harsh when you're cruising through the city. Electronics are simple but effective, with riding modes and traction control that do their job without overcomplicating things. Comfort-wise, the upright position makes longer rides pretty manageable, though the seat could be better for all-day touring. Now, the real question: should you buy it? If you want a powerful, fun and practical naked bike that doesn't break the bank, the Z900 is absolutely worth a look. However, if you're after advanced electronics or long-distance touring comfort, you might want to consider other options in the segment before deciding. Overall, it's a well-balanced, exciting middleweight machine,